Munich on Monday. What are you doing on Monday?
I'll be at the Farnborough Air Show on Monday.
Oh, no way.
What are you doing in Munich?
I am dropping off a Vision Jet.
Oh, very cool.
You want to come?
Yeah, of course I want to come.
So we can go to Farnborough on Tuesday?
I mean, if you are offering.
This is Victoria.
So Philippe runs a company called Echelon Air, which is his aviation company that deals with flight training. They do charter hire of aircraft. They do aircraft tourism, like Philippe and I do when we go on our flying trips to Iceland, over to Europe. So Philippe's got a Cirrus Vision Jet that he needs to get delivered, and he's asked me to come along and ride along with him, which is fantastic. I mean, I'm never going to say no to a free seat on an aircraft. But also, this is something very foreign to me living in Australia, because the moment we get to Biggin Hill and we take off, I think we've got maybe a 2.5, 3 hour flight, and then we would have overflown several countries and be landing in another country. Now, even in a Vision Jet, if I took off from Australia and flew for 2.5 to 3 hours, I'd still be in Australia. So I've got my coffee. I'm just waiting for my train here at Victoria to Bromley South. Then I'm going to go down to the airport and go meet Philippe.
Breakfast.
Look who's back.
Yay! We didn't get enough of each other last week.
I know, that's true. Yeah, Philippe was calling me all weekend saying, mate, I miss you. It's been so long. It's been 24 hours.
Where
I was like,
are you?
Fine, I'll come along. You got a spare seat on a very exciting plane, and we're going to a very cool place. This is so unlike Australian flying, in that we're going to go maybe over 3 countries, land in a new one, all in the space of a couple of hours. What do we cruise at in the Vision Jet? I can't remember what the...
0.525 Mach or 0.53 Mach. That's
Wow.
170 indicated at 280.
Yeah.
But it's 310 true.
Yeah.
So pick your speed. All
right.
of those apply.
Thanks for inviting me.
Yeah, I'm so thrilled.
All right, let's do it. I love sitting in one of these things. It just feels like you're some kind of rock star down here on Biggin Hill. But
Spaceship.
yeah, sadly we're no Wimbledon sports stars or all the other very famous people that come through this really cool airport. But yeah, are you ready to go? I mean,
I'm ready.
What happens at this point then? Is this just
We
like...
switch on batteries.
Oh yeah, well, you turn the aircraft on. Farewell, Vision Jet. Thank you, that's the one. Thanks, Philippe.
Yep.
So in the middle of a storm, we went all the way to customs. We managed to clear customs, and then I realised I left my raincoat in the plane. Even though Philippe asked me twice, have I left anything in the plane? I said no. Thanks, Philippe. Stupid boy. What? Oh, is it shut?
Yeah, it's not open.
Oh no. Philippe, there's no Cirrus logo on the wall up there.
That's true.
We need to sort that out.
Oh, you're right. What the heck is that about?
Yeah. Looks like a viewing platform up there. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Remember that viewing hill that we saw a second ago as we were driving past in the taxi? Well, Philippe suggested we should walk to it.
I like that this is my fault.
Yeah, so
We're walking on the entry ramp into the terminal right now. Yeah.
it's very scenic.
We're gonna get stopped by airport security.
Yeah, especially because we're filming as well at the airport. They're going to love that. I can see it. Yeah, it's not far.
Oh, it's not far, yeah.
This place is cool. All right, so kids play area behind me. Got a super constellation over here. Just trying to see what the aircraft is behind it. Oh, is that a TriStar? I think Ford TriStar as well, ahead of me here. An old Lufthansa one. It's cash. We need coins.
Oh, the private entrance.
And you run quickly.
Yes, we'll run up the hill.
Yes, yes.
After you, mate.
Have a nice time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. The very nice lady in the information centre just there exchanged my Visa card for a couple of euros. He just basically let us in through the gate because she wouldn't give us any change, but she let us in, which was very kind. But we've also realised that in all the time milling around and looking at the planes and doing stuff here, we're actually running a little bit tight for our flight home. So we're going to very quickly walk up these many stairs that you can see behind me, have a quick look at the planes and then turn around, hopefully catch our flight.
Wow, so cool.
Worth it, worth it.
Nope.
Can you see anything?
I needed a euro.
You need to pay. Okay, good. I'm done. You done? Walk back. Great. 35 seconds.
35 seconds up on the hill.
Also, that's rain. That's rain in the distance.
Oh yes.
That's rain over there, so we should probably run it back. It's like we're back on Black Sheep in Iceland. It is like Iceland. Oh, far out. Sorry, we're going to be soaked. We have to make it to that. Do you want to run?
Oh man.
Oh, my trousers.
Drying out.
Try. Cheers.
Cheers.
To being dry.
Eventually.
Is ready for boarding at gate B15.
How dry are your pants now?
They're still damp to the touch.
Yeah, we're mostly dry. Apologies.
That's all right.
Apologies to anyone we sit next to on this flight now.
We're gonna be rubbing knees and their suit pants are gonna get.
I think we're squeaking as we're walking as well.
My shoes are definitely still wet.
Yeah.
My socks are still very wet.
All right, second flight of the day. Not as exciting as the first one, but back to Heathrow.
Hello, good evening to you all. My name is Nicola. On behalf of the entire crew, I'd like to welcome you on board this British Airways flight shortly departing for London's Heathrow Terminal 5.
Welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5, the home of British Airways. The local time is just coming up to 22:07.
I totally forgot to record the bit where I just said goodbye to Philippe, but he's left. I just said goodbye to him up at Terminal 5. I've come downstairs now to get the tube back into central London from Heathrow, Terminal 5. Heathrow. I think the longer I spend in London, the more my London accent starts to come back in it. need to get some dinner now, and then the day's done. Ooh. Now, don't get me wrong, I love Australia, I love living in Australia, I love flying in Australia, but I do sometimes wish that we did have a little bit more variety on our doorstep. The fact that from London you can fly basically in, what was it, two and a half hours across France, across Switzerland, all the way out to Munich in Germany. It does make me wish in some ways that we had a little bit more variety in Australia, but it really makes me understand why my mate Philippe has set up Echelon Air, his company here, to be able to provide services in aviation to people, but to do it in this space where, yes, sometimes flying can be a bit monotonous, sometimes it can be a little bit samey, and the procedural stuff, well, the whole point of it is that it is a bit monotonous and it is a bit samey. But when you're varying the destinations and locations and countries you're flying over and accents and languages and airspaces, I think, well, variety is the spice of life, and I think it probably would make flying a lot more enjoyable. I, though, am just really grateful that I've got a good mate who took me flying on his jet delivery today. And my spark for aviation, I'll be honest with you, it's been a little bit dwindling with everything that's been going on with me the last few months, but days like today remind me how cool aviation actually is and how much I still want it. Maybe I should move to England again.
Healthy dinner.